How to convert photo into video in Gemini. First, open Gemini and click the plus button. From the menu, select Create Video to open the AI video generator. To upload your image, click the plus button again. Choose Upload Files and select the photo you want to animate. Wait a few seconds until the image finishes uploading. Now, write your prompt. Describe what you want to happen in the video. Add any important actions or details, mention the camera movement if needed, and include background music or sound effects. A clear prompt will give you better results. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter to start the generation process. Gemini will begin creating your video, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the complexity of your prompt. When the video is finished, preview the result to make sure it looks the way you want. If you're happy with the video, simply click the download button to save it to your device. That's how you can turn any photo into an AI video using Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.